Good day, campers. Today we're going to do a little windshield work. This is a 2018 Can-Am Commander. The windshield is original. It's starting to get discolored like headlights do. I have found a plastic polishing system specifically made for acrylic and these types of other plastic windshields. So we're going to use this system and polish our windshield up. It is that you need to clean it. A couple of things to remember when cleaning these plastic windshields. First off, do not use any kind of a glass cleaner. It has ammonia in it and it damages the plastic. The other thing they say is don't clean with circular motions, clean with side-to-side motions. You want to clean with soapy water. This is dish soap diluted in water in a spray bottle. Now that the windshield is clean and dry, this is a three-step process. You have the heavy scratch remover, the light scratch remover, and then a final cleaner and polisher. The instructions say to clean this across the scratches. I've read where a lot of people actually do use an orbital. This is a random orbital buffer designed specifically for polishing and waxing. My windshield does not have that many scratches. It's just discolored. So I'm going to use my buffer and a microfiber towel. If I had the pads, I'd use those, but I'm out. I did link to those in the description. So I'm going to add like I said, I'm going to add some of this. There was a seal inside that I had to remove. So put a little of this on here. And just polish my little heart out. So my experiment with using cut-off microfiber towels did not work. I have had some success with that in the past. I did not have any success this time. One nice thing is with what little that I did do, I've already seen a very noticeable improvement in this windshield. So now that I have the proper equipment, we're gonna buff it up and finish the job. Since this is set for a while, I need to reshake it. I did because it's been a couple of days. I did clean the windshield. They do not talk very much about how much of this stuff to use. They just say buff until it goes away and repeat as necessary. So I finished the first step. The second step is supposed to remove the minor scratches that it puts on the windshield. It's kind of like using wet sandpaper where you have to keep working down. So this is the second step. It's for fine scratches. And we'll buff a little with this. The last step is bottle 1. It says clean, shine, and protect. What this does is it'll polish up the last little bit of any kind of little scratches that might be there. Puts a thin coating to protect it, mostly to keep off dust. So that finishes the 3 steps. This windshield was not terrible, but it was bad enough that if you crested over a hill and the sun hit the windshield, you couldn't see at all. This is a great improvement. Hope it helps you. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.